And some of you are going to need the blanket as well, so you can put the blanket like this on top. So there's a couple of different, we're going to do Baddha Vajrasana twist on the bolster. So I'm going to swing my feet off to the side, knees to the side, and the bolster is going to be about hand's width away from my pelvis, so a little distance there. So this blanket can serve you a couple different ways. It could come the full length to get you a little bit more lift on your bolster that you might need. If you have a large chest, you can use the bolster this way so that when you turn, your head has something to rest on, because without getting this collapse in the chest. You don't want to collapse. We want to lift, get a nice even turn, and then relax down. And this pose is excellent for the lower spine, right? So it helps to open and gap all the spaces on the top side of the lumbar. So any back strain will be gone by the time we're finished. So lift from the bottom of the belly, in and up to your chest, make some length in the front. Exhale, turn your ribs as far as you can. And there are different ways to turn the head. You could turn the head completely, which is one possibility. And if you do that, I'm going to ask you to do that for maybe 3 to 5 breaths. Those of you whose head doesn't turn all the way, or if the neck has discomfort for any reason, just turn the head to point in the same direction as the knees. So the face and the knees are going the same way. And be there and close your eyes. So let's all be here. Notice which side is on the bottom. So just be here for a moment. If the hip or the lower back is pinching at all, the bottom hip, just lift it up and scoot the skin away, like scoot the skin away from the bolster just a little bit so the clock face is more even. Now let's just breathe. Smooth, long inhalations. Smooth, long exhalations. And observe in your own body how the organs that are on the bottom, closest to the bolster, are being squeezed. So if you're twisting to the left, then the organs on the left side of the body are being squeezed. And that would be the stomach, spleen, pancreas, the descending colon, the left kidney, left lung, and if the right side is down, you've got your ascending colon, the right kidney, the liver and gallbladder, right lung. And notice that the bottom side is being squeezed, but as you deepen your breath, the top side is expanded. So enjoy the expansion of the top side. Release your lower back as you breathe deeply. Release your diaphragm. Expand. Soften the back of your throat. Let's stay just a little bit longer here. Soften your jaw. So you let yourself settle a little bit. Let your nervous system settle. And then we're going to slowly come out of this side. So you're going to take a deep breath. Walk your hands back towards your hips. Press down, slowly sit yourself up. Slowly is the operative word.